Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, I'm going to do something a bit different, and that is to show you how to connect LearnDash, WooCommerce, and Wishlist Member. Now, I know sometimes when it comes to creating online course websites, there's so many ways to get all these plugins to work together, and it can be overwhelming. But you know what? Over the weekend, I've been playing around with different ways to simplify my website and just make sure that everything works smoothly, because one of the things that I don't really like is to have a lot of plugins doing all sorts of things on my website. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in today's video coming up. All right, guys, so before I get started, I'd like to mention a few things, and that is if you buy Wishlist Member using my affiliate link, you also get access to my Wishlist Member course. This course will get you up and running really fast. You don't really need to learn about the whole wishlist system. It saves you a lot of time. So all you have to do is to buy it using my affiliate link, and then go to funnelstoincome.com. On the bottom right, there is a chat bubble. If you click on that, just send me your receipt number and I'll give you access to the course. And also, if you do buy LearnDash using my affiliate link, you also get the LearnDash Mastery course. Again, this course teaches you how to get up and running fast, setting up your online course websites. All right, so with that out of the way, let's dive in and let me show you how to set up this site. So the very first thing you want to do is to, of course, make sure Wishlist Member is installed, LearnDash is installed, and because this is a WooCommerce integration, you want to make sure WooCommerce is installed. All right, so when WooCommerce is installed, you want to come over here to WooCommerce, and then you want to go to your settings. Now, over here on the settings, this is where you want to make sure that you have your PayPal or Stripe activated. So here I've just set up PayPal, but you can also add Stripe if you need to collect credit cards or debit cards for your courses or your membership site. All right, so with that set now, the next step is to head over here now to LearnDash, because here is where we need to go in and create a basic course that we're going to use Wishlist Member to protect. All right, so here, go to courses, and you can see here I have quite a few courses here. I have Diet for Tennis Players, new course, Marketing with Mac, and so on. But creating a course is very straightforward. All you have to do is to come over here to the top right, click on Add New Course, and you can give this course a name. So for this one here, I'm just going to call this My Course, okay? And then once you've done that, you just want to publish it, and then you want to add your lessons. And this is where now you go to your builder, and then you can start adding your lessons and so on. But I also have other videos where I go into depth and show you how to add your lessons onto your LearnDash website. All right, so with that said, now I've got my courses. I've also installed LearnDash, Wishlist Member, and WooCommerce. The question now is, how do we get this working well together? Now, this all can be done in one place. Now, let's head over back to our dashboard here, because of course we need to go in and tell WooCommerce what course we're selling, right? So I'm going to come back over here to WooCommerce products, and I'm going to click all products. So I just want to have an idea of how many products I have. So let's add a new course here. So I'm just going to click here on add new to add a new product. So I'm just going to call this Mac course, and I'm not going to go in and give it a description here, because that's going to be done on my course landing page in LearnDash. Okay, so the price is going to be $97. And here's the thing. So over here, you can see we have Wishlist Member over here. So that means there is an integration between WooCommerce and Wishlist Member. Now, before I come over here and choose Wishlist Member, what I need to do is to publish my course that I've just created. And then I'm going to go to Wishlist Member and create a membership level. Okay, so this one here is Mac course. Okay, let's copy that because I want this to be the membership. Right, so over here now on Wishlist Member, I'm going to come over here to setup and create a membership for anyone that buys Mac's course. So here to create the memberships is very straightforward. You just click on this plus button, and then all we have to do is to give this membership level, hit apply, and then I can go in and add all my registrations, my registration pages, and so on. But we're not going to go through that because we're just talking about the integration for now. Okay, so now that I have this, there's also a tab here for integrations, by the way. and we might as well come over here and activate it. So you can see here, I've already gone ahead and activated WooCommerce. Now, if you haven't done so, this is where you need to come and make sure you activate WooCommerce in order for us to see that little WooCommerce tag that we saw when we were creating the product. All right, so that's my main integration. Next, we need to come over here to email providers. Now, this is ideal if you're going to be adding all your students to a specific mailing list so that you can send them emails at a later stage. Okay, so here I've activated MailPoet, and then on other services. Now, this is the key. On other services, you need to make sure that you activate LearnDash. So notice that everything is happening on Wishlist Member. All my integrations are on Wishlist, okay? Right, so over here, I am going to activate that. Now, notice what happens. On my membership levels, I have Mac course, the course that I just created, and the membership level, okay, a moment ago. So here's what you can do. We want that when someone buys the course, right, they get added to the level and also get access to the course that we created. So if I click here on actions, check this out. And now this is really, really amazing. All right, so remember our course is, where is it? My course, that's what we created. Okay, so I'm going to select that. So now what I'm saying here is when added, right, to the membership level, give them access to my course or whatever course there is on your list. Now, let's say you want to give them access to more than one course. You can say, okay, marketing with Mac, you know, they can have access to that. Now, if this is a situation where it's more like an upgrade after purchasing this, you can say, okay, they've bought that, now remove them from maybe Diet for Tennis Players, or remove them from a course that is less advanced to the one that you're adding them onto. But to keep things simple, I'm just going to leave this as it is. But you notice that here that the integration is fascinating. So let me just explain the workflow again. So you create the course, right? And then when someone buys the course, they get added to a membership level. And then over here on this integration, when LearnDash and Wishlist Member integration realizes that, oh, someone bought the course, they are then given access here straight to the course. So the students don't need to go all over the place to try and find out how to access the course. So now that I've added my two courses to have access to, I can save. And then we can also add some more triggers here. Like, for example, when someone cancels, what you want to do you want to remove them from that course. Now, I mainly use this when, let's say, for example, my VIP membership, let's say someone decided to cancel the membership, I can remove them from my paid membership onto the free course. So this is where you'd come over here and say, when canceled, enroll in the free course, okay? And then you can also say when removed, what you want to do. Let's say you've physically removed them from the course. You can also decide what you want to do over here, okay? And then when registered, you can also add your triggers here. When registered, enroll on a specific course. But anyway, the most important thing here is when someone gets added to the level, they get access to the course. They're automatically enrolled, and pretty much that's it. So that's our integration here. It's very straightforward, very easy to set up. Now, let's go back to WooCommerce and to our main course product. And then I'm going to show you one more step that you need to do. So back over here to products, I'm going to go to all products. So over here on this Max course, I can hit edit. And then over here, if I scroll down, we see we have this wishlist member entry. So this is another way you can do it. You can say when someone buys this course, I want to give them access to the membership level Mac course. Boom, done. Okay, it's as simple as that, and this is how the integrations work. You don't need any of these extra plugins to go in and do all your integrations, because to be honest, that's just way too many plugins. So I like the fact that Wishlist Member has this integration all in one place. And to be honest, I'm leaning more towards Wishlist Member now because the integrations are really, really, really awesome. They are trying to integrate pretty much everything out there. So this is why I would lean more towards Wishlist Member. So pretty much this is how you set it up. And you've noticed that I haven't installed any other plugins to integrate and make things work. It's just Wishlist Member, LearnDash, and WooCommerce. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the video description below. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new videos. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.